Hello, and welcome to the OCC Transfer Center CSU application workshops. This specific video will be covering how to fill out the supporting information quadrant in the CSU application. You can find the supporting information quadrant on the bottom left-hand corner of your CSU application under the My Application tab at the homepage. Depending on your responses in the extended profile, your supporting information may look different from other applicants. If you indicated you were earning an ADT, they will ask you for additional information in this section. The college and major will already be entered in this area, which is reflected from the college and major you selected in the extended profile. It is then going to ask what your OCC student ID number is. Be sure to add the C in front of your ID number. This will assist with the degree verification process. Your California Community College ID is not a required field. You'll notice there is not a red asterisk next to this section. If you know your ID at the top of your head, you can enter it. If not, you can skip this question without any repercussions. Lastly, it's going to ask you to enter the anticipated or completed date of your ADT. If your ADT has already been awarded, you can find the degree date on your unofficial transcripts. If your degree is in progress, go ahead and enter when you anticipate earning the degree. If you are unsure of the specific date of the month, you can use the 15th. If you are eligible to apply to the EOP program, this will be your opportunity. This is optional, but will be your only time to apply to the EOP program at the CSU level. Students must be evaluated and admitted to EOP before they begin classes at the CSU. So it's important if you want to participate that you fill out this application now. If you do not wish to apply to the EOP program, you would just simply select no, and then you can move on to the next section. If you do want to apply to the EOP program, you are able to either select yes and complete the EOP application immediately, or you can opt out and return later to complete the EOP specific questions. They will be asking for short written responses and names of people who will write your letters of recommendation. If you indicated any military status, you will be asked to upload your military papers and documents in the Documents tab here. If you click on Add Document, this is where you can start searching for your files and upload it from your computer. If you are an international student, the CSU application will ask for some achievements. You can add any relevant professional or academic achievements in this area. It is important to note that for undergraduate applicants, achievements will not be used during consideration for admissions. You may select I am not adding achievements if you do not have any or you do not wish to add any. Again, the Supporting Information tab will vary depending on your extended profile responses. If you have any questions about your specific supporting information, please feel free to connect with the Transfer Center during drop-in or in an appointment. Thank you.